Bring them here. Come on, guys.
Let's go, Dad. Come on, Dad. Come on, Dad. Come on, Dad. Come on, Dad.
Come on, guys.
Come on, Dad. Come on, Dad.
Weird, they're not listening to you.
Oh, that's wrong. Oh, the rock.
Sam, see how JR is sitting? We're gonna,
Hey, JR. Hey, bud.
okay, for a little bit, we're gonna ride in the stroller. You know what? How about if you help Juju with the dogs while you sit in the stroller? Can you help? Do you think you can help still? From?